Good old Sunset Beach, a coastal gem with a complex ecosystem. Sunset Beach, which is located in Huntington Beach, California, is a serene yet dynamic coastline offering a unique blend of natural beauty and human interaction. During my time, obviously I visited during winter. Sunset Beach experiences notably low tides, causing the waterline to recede and reveal vast expanses of sand. The colder weather and reduced water levels deter many visitors, resulting in fewer crowds compared to the summer, which every Californian knows. For beachgoers who do venture out, though, the serene atmosphere provides a unique opportunity to explore tidal pools and observe marine life up close. Now, as we can see here, the wave action at Sunset Beach is an ever-changing spectacle that defines its character and ecological function. Gentle rolling waves dominate on calm days, providing ideal conditions for surfers and swimmers, and I saw surfers every single time I went. However, these waves are more than just recreational. They play a crucial role in shaping the coastal environment. Longshore Longshore currents, which run parallel to the shore, transport sediment and nutrients, constantly reshaping the beach and feeding the intertidal ecosystem. During the stormy weather, waves intensify, growing taller and more forceful, but these larger waves chum up the seafloor, releasing the nutrients trapped in sediments and dispersing them throughout the water column. This nutrient redistribution supports a variety of marine organisms, and from microscopic plankton to larger fish species. However, powerful wave action can also erode the coastline, threatening nearby infrastructure and exposing the beach to further environmental stressors. While they are a natural part of the ocean cycle, rip currents also pose risks to swimmers and require vigilance from lifeguards stationed along the shore. Marine vegetation such as kelp, algae, and barnacles thrive in the nutrient-rich waters off Sunset Beach. Giant kelp, a cornerstone of the local ecosystem, attaches itself to underwater rocks using holdfast, root-like structures that anchor it firmly even against strong currents. This kelp forest provides shelter and food for a variety of marine creatures, from small fish to sea urchins. Barnacles, often seen cleaning the rocks and pier pilings, are filter feeders that play a role in maintaining water quality. Together, these organisms form the backbone of the coastal food web, sustaining species both large and small. Now, right here, these are the holdfasts. Those are the root-like structures that are clinging to the rock, and that's exactly what helps prevent them from moving against strong currents. And here, coming up in just a couple seconds, we're going to see a mussel that has a bunch of barnacles that are attached to it. It's the first time I've ever seen this. It was a cool sight to see. And as per usual, there are a lot of shells at Sunset Beach. To mitigate the risks associated with rising tides and periodic wave erosion, city planners have proposed the construction of seawalls along parts of Sunset Beach during the wintertime. These barriers aim to protect beachfront properties from encroaching waters while preserving the beach for future recreational use. While seawalls can shield the land from immediate damage, they can disrupt the natural movement of sand and sediment, potentially affecting the habitats of coastal organisms. Balancing human needs with ecological health remains a significant challenge for urban planners and environmental advocates alike. Sunset Beach attracts a diverse range of visitors, from casual walkers in flip-flops and sundresses to athletes in running shoes and wetsuits. As we can see, we see bare feet, we see shoes, and in this next video, we are going to see bird claws. So it attracts both humans and animals. Trash pollution is one of the most significant threats facing Sunset Beach, with devastating consequences for both marine life and human communities. Plastics, one of the most common forms of debris, break down into microplastics that infiltrate every layer of the ecosystem. Marine mammals such as seals and dolphins often mistake these plastics for food, leading to ingestion that can block their digestive systems and cause fatal injuries. Fishing nets and other discarded items pose entanglement risk, often leading animals trapped unable to hunt or escape predators. But beyond plastics, oil pollution and tar deposits further degrade the environment. Tar mats formed from natural seepage and human negligence coat and sand the rocks, smothering vegetation and affecting the ability of filter feeders like mussels and barnacles to survive. Seagulls and sandpipers are vital contributors to the ecosystem at Sunset Beach, each fulfilling unique roles. Seagulls, known for their intelligence and opportunistic feeding, hunt a variety of prey such as crabs, sand snails, oysters, and clams. They are skilled scavengers, cleaning up dead fish and organic debris washed ashore, and this helps maintain environmental hygiene and reduces the disease risks. Their ability to crack open hard-shelled prey by dropping it onto rocks highlights their adaptability. Seagulls also transfer nutrients from the ocean to the land through their guano, enriching the sandy soil and supporting vegetation. Sandpipers, by contrast, are small and specialized feeders, and they dart along the shoreline at a low tide. They probe the wet sand with their slender beaks to locate worms, larvae, and tiny crustaceans. This foraging behavior aerates the sand, promoting healthier sediment and supporting microhabitats for other organisms. Unlike seagulls, sandpipers avoid scavenging, relying on their precision and agility, hence why they locate smaller things. Together, these birds shape the beach's ecosystem. Seagulls regulate prey populations broadly and recycle nutrients. Yet sandpipers focus on smaller hidden prey, contributing to the intertidal zone's physical and biological balance. Their complementary roles underscore the importance of preserving this dynamic habitat for the diverse species that depend on it. And here we can see that this was a live hermit crab. This is actually one of the first time I've ever seen one live. That one was pretty big. I rolled it over and it actually moved, but then it decided to stop moving, and I was a little upset about it because I couldn't get a video on it. But these are just um, things that have been hunted already, and I thought that they were picture worthy just to show that some were intact and some were dead. So overall, that was Sunset Beach, and that exemplified the interconnectedness of natural and human systems. From the seasonal low tides and resilient kelp forests to the bustling activities of seagulls and sandpipers, this coastal gem thrives on its biodiversity, and the only thing we can do is hope that humans know how to keep it alive.